Let's go to another. I don't know whether you have questions over there or is it clear understood. It's straightforward. It's a very straightforward problem. Someone is saying, give you 20,000 and you go there and you say, why can't you give me a discount? And they say, okay, we are giving you discount of 800. So what is the price that you have, the particular that you are paying? Just take 20,000 as an example. Then the second thing is, what is the percentage? The discount percentage. So the discount percentage is, check it, this 800 over 20,800. So the discount percentage what? Is the 4%. Now if the discount percentage is 4%, what percentage is this one? What percentage is this one? So 19,200 represents 96%. This one represents 96%. Because the 96% plus 4% gives you 100%. And the cost price is always 100 what? Percent. Therefore, 20,000 is 100 what? 100%. 90% is coming because you are taking 19,200, which is the same as the 96%. And plus 4% gives you 100%. 100% is this one. Therefore, 4% will be this one. The 96% will be 19,800. Another example of two. Now, we follow each other. I don't want you to get lost. If you are lost, tell me that I'm lost. Example number 2. The bookshelf of railroad is upright. anyone is a person buys a book rack of 18,000 kwacha on a discount of 12%. What was the original price of the book rack? A person buys a book rack of 18,000 kwacha on a discount of 12%. What was the original price of the book rack? This person is buying, or if the person bought this book rack, the book rack bought it at 18,000, but the discount was 12%. In other words, after being discounted, he paid 18,000 kwacha. What was the original? Yeah, so the question is, what was the cost price? Remember that this 18,000 is paid after being deducted, after being given the 12%. So, if you take 12% from, if you take 12 from 100%, well, original, the cost price is 100%. You notice that it is 88%. Now, 88%, it is representing this amount. What about 100%? So, what I have to do is there is just something like this. They want me to find the selling price. Now the selling price, what they are finding is, they want me to find selling price is the same as cost price here. Find the cost price. So you know that this 18,000 kwacha is equivalent to 88%. What about 100%? Is this going to be more or less? More. So this is going to be more. If it is more, the bigger number on top, the small number down, multiplied by 18,000. Right? So you multiply 100 and this one will be this. Then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 88. Use your calculator. 18 5 zeros divided by 8. This gives you 20,455 or 154, right? The next 155 is this one that I will put here. Which one? This one?
Yeah, yes.
Alright, I see. 12, if you look at it, 12%. 12% is what? What do you have as 12% as a fraction? Is what? 0.12. That's 12%, right?
Yeah.
The cost price though is 1, yeah? You know that? Which is 100%.
Yeah.
100% is 1, so what's 1, right?
Yeah.
So take 1 by 1.00 minus that. 1 minus 0.12. 0.88. 0.88 is this one. The 0.88 is taken from the original is 100%. That's why it is 100%. 100 is 1. You know that, right? 100 is what? 1. That's why you are taking 1. Take away the 0.122 from 1.
So, SPI no. When you...
This one?
Yeah. I thought, because you is supposed to multiply the Yamanja, because there is a little side there. So your is supposed to multiply the Yamanja, because if you're changing SPI to the side, you have to change the side.
Where are you putting the SPI? Where? Oh, this one?
Yes. It's supposed to multiply the Yamanja.
Because you are multiplying by this.
Yeah, because you put the brackets over there.
Now, yes, when you are multiplying this by that one, what would that be? 0.88 HP. So you want to divide HP. So what do? You divide both sides by 0.88. That's why you are dividing. That's why I divide here by 0.88%. The subject of the formula. What we are saying is, let me come back to you. This is 0.8, this is with SP, and there is 0.88, right? In other words, here is 100%, 100% minus the 12%, it is 88%. You know that? It is same as percentage, just because of this 0.88. SP. But times the SP times 0.88, what is that?
0.8 HP.
Very good. 0.88 is what? P. And is equal to? Is equal to what?
18,000.
18,000. Very good. So what you divide the SP, right? How do you divide SP? You divide both sides by 0.88. And again you divide this one 0.88. And this gives 1, right?
Yes.
So you are finding SP.
Yes.
How do you find SP? 18,000 divided by 0.88. In other words, when you are doing this one, it is the same as 18,000, like this one, right? Here, there are 1, 2, you move twice, from 0.88. You know that? 0.88, you move 1, 2, right? And again, here you have 1, 2 zeros, right? Divided by 88. It's exactly like what we are doing. Because there is the decimal. 1, 2. And here, 1, 2. You are adding 2 zeros. Divided by 88. So it's 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 88. That's why you are coming up 20,001 something like that. In other words, this is the cost price. The selling price is the same as the cost price. Is that making sense? You are still in. Now, let's be moving together. Where are you missing? Have you understood? Right, let me say it this way. Let's do it.
Let me give an example here.
Not the same, so no problem. So you have to understand it. You are not let's go this way. Yeah? Now I can just give you an example that maybe which is in line with this one. I can just give you an example. To understand this, right? Assume, right? But do we know that cost price is 100%?
Yes, it's true.
Do we know that cost price of anything is 100%?
Yes.
Alright. If for example, right, I bought this case of glasses, assuming that this one is 20,000 first. Right? And then I say, 20,000, that's the cost price. The guy is selling this one 20,000. I said, that's your selling. Right? I said, then I'll give you percentage, then I'll just give. So I'm going to put your salary, the 12%. Right? It means when I'm buying this one, whatever I'm paying 18,000. I mean, if I bought this one 20,000, and it says, do just 20%. 20%. It means, yeah, we can get about 18,000. The original one is 20%, 20,000. Because I want first of all you understand what is the original price. Where you are coming from, you ask, the teacher told you that those are what I call the market price, if I'm not wrong. And I was going to the market price, the original price. Now, this is a very simple example here. What is happening there is, this guy if produce 80,000 one, and I want to tell us this is 12%. And I want to just 12% is an income thereabout. But originally, it is 100%. The amount, the cost price is 100%, which means this one is resembling 88%. But 12% is a discount, because the 12% was the discount, instead of discount, I would just try. Then each, that's why it had 88% from 100%. Therefore, if that 88% it is this amount, therefore now, what about 100%? Move your number and grams with that. That's what I should say. Before subtraction, how much? That's what I'm saying. If this one is 88%, so if 88% is equal to 18,000, what about 100%? So you find that 100% is equal to more than that, right? So it will be more. So if it is more, that's what I'm saying. 100 over 8 times 1,000, something like this. So when you calculate this one, there are how many results? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 results, right? So it's 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 88. Then you are coming back to this one. That's what you are saying. Yeah, I help you. Yeah. Okay. That's how we.
It doesn't mean that I know about it. I just want to share the understanding that I've get. So, this is 12%. So you take 12%, you say 1 minus 12 over 100, which is giving you 0.88. So then we are finding SPS, the stated lines, which will divide both sides by 0.88. At the end, we get 18,000. So what our lecturer was explaining is everything that we buy is 100%. Before we buy it, it's 100%. Like before you buy a phone, it's 100%. But if you put in negotiation skills, you reduce the percentage. Yeah, that's what he was explaining. Yeah.
So when you put negative 100 divided by negative 11, you wait at 89.
Then you put a scientific
One minus 12 over 100 is giving us 2.83.
1 minus 12 over 100. Not 1 minus 12. 1 minus 12 over 100. Thank you very much for your explanation. Let's go and another one. Remind me one thing. Remind me one thing. From next week, we will not allow you to use the funds for the calculator. So it's better you write the statistical, which is a 2 function. In the exam, we have one Senate exam here for moderation of the exam. Very sure you are going to write the exam for the end of next year. So they will not allow you to use the funds. By then, we lecturers, we are not allowed to be around at the campus. Sometimes we are far away from here. So you will not be allowed to use your phone. Even if your phone is very expensive. In other words, we are just encouraging you to use what? Phone. You have to use the calculator, scientific calculator. And we will train you how to use the calculator.
Okay, sir.
Let's go to another example. Now, this time around, if you look at what we are looking at here, it's about the simple discount. But now let's go to successive discount. Let's go back to successive discount. Your name?
No, I was saying,
Which one? Yeah, A, this one. Yes. But the A is down to the smooth number. Let me explain there before we see the example. What we can explain what I have written there. I have to explain what I have to explain. Successive discount. Successive discount. Assuming I'm selling my phone at giving you a discount of 10%. Right? Then assuming that it is a discount of 10%, you have given me, if it is 10,000, you have given me about 9,000. right? And again, I sell that at the 9,000, the 9,000 again, I give another discount. Maybe I'm giving another discount, another person for the because I don't know. So I give another discount of 5% from the 9,000. And then someone pays, and then I again have another discount from that amount that he has paid. That becomes a successive discount. It's not discounted from the very same price. That is it 20,000? Then I discount. Then another 20, then 5%. Then another 10%. I discount from the 20,000. Assuming you have a phone. You have bought a phone at 20,000. If you have bought this phone at 20,000, and you are given a discount of 5%, it means what you say, assuming, I'm not saying the 5% of 20,000, I'm just assuming that suppose, after the discount it comes to about 18,000, right? You have paid 18,000, assuming it's like that. From 5%, you have paid 18,000. And someone comes again, and in fact from the 18,000, they say, you say, I have my phone which is 18,000, but I'm now selling at a discount of 2%. So are you taking 2% again from 18 what? 1,000, which is now 16 what? Assuming that is 60,000. Right? And someone comes again and says, I need a phone, but says that, no, I think I have it at 16,000, I can give you 10%. Well, it is something like that becomes successive discount. It's more or less like compounding. Compound interest, eh? Because compound interest, what you are saying is, first year, it is a 200. Yes? You say, interest, you find interest of 200, you put it there, right? You were adding, so it is 210. They say, this is second what? Second year, principal second year. Then interest, if interest was 5%, it's 5% of this one. So you are saying it is like 2, you were adding, this is the 21,200. You go on and on until you go to the amount. That was compounding proportion. You were adding. But if you find, when you talk about the discount, it's a successive discount. It's not additional at all, but you are what? You are subtracting. Until you go to the last stage. Therefore, in a business deal, if a person is ready to give more than one discount, that discount is known as a successive discount. You just said 5% and you went, okay? Singapore. Chakula wanasema ndio kwanga ni jana tunaanza 2%. Singapore. Chakula vile inajumlisha ndio kuna kama ni jana tunaanza ni 5%. Singapore. It means you are reducing, right? You don't talk about the reduction 20,000. Kama hapo tunasema they are falling like step, right? Up to the last. That's why here such discount is called successive discount. Like DR. Right? Discount rate 1. I'm just going to go down. The discount rate 2. Discount rate 3. Up to how many we don't know. Up to 80 we don't know how many numbers are there. Right? Whether there are 100 in discount whatsoever we do. When millions and trillions we don't know. That's why we put an N down here. Then note that successive discount can be formulated as the final discounted price. Final discounted price is the last price after all one discount is what is called the price that is called FDP. Final discount what? Price. How do you get final discount price? SP, which is the standard price. 1 minus. And then 1 is coming 1. 1 is the 100%. 1 is 100 discount rate. They are taking from 100%. In other words, 100% minus that percentage. 100% minus the second percentage of the discount. 100% minus that one. This one you are multiplying up to how many they are. That is what is called the final discounted price. FDTD is the final discounted price. Let me just give you an example. Maybe we'll be able to understand this after we see this example. Once. Example. first packet of papers purchased by a photocopier There were 25 packets purchased by photocopiers. Max price of each packet is 300 percent. The marked price. Marked price of each packet is 300 percent. And he got a discount of 80%. And he got a discount of 80%. And another additional discount and another additional discount at 5% on each cash payment. Additional discount at 5% on each cash payment. On each cash payment. Find the final value of the deal. Find the value of the deal. Solution. Given that max price of each packet max price for the first packet, max price for 25 packets, 0 to 300 times 25, which is 7,700. Baca. First discount. First discount rate is DR1 is equal to 18%. Is the same as 0.18 as decimal. Second discount rate, which is DR2 is equal to 5%, which is 0.05. Is that 0.05? And the question is find the final discounted price, which is the FDP. The final discount price, we don't know that. So how to do it? Final discount price is equal to SP1 minus DR1, 1 minus DR2. So FDP is equal to SP. From this one, what is our SP? What is our SP? This one. The max price is 7,500. 1 minus 0.18. 1 minus 0.05, which is the same as 0.500 multiplied by 0.82 0.82 and again 0.95. So FGP, that's what gives you 5H4 3.